I'm about to go to get coffee with my friend Kelsey, and then I'm gonna go get a little like hair consultation. I have had this hairstylist for literally like my whole life. Since I was like 8 years old, I go to Vanity Room in Muskegon, Michigan, and I've gone there like my whole life, and I love them all so much. And yeah, I'm gonna go there. I'm very excited slash kind of nervous, but also excited because New Year, girl. Same me. I'm a little bit crunchy today. On the way to get my hair done. I'm so excited because I have never been this hair color. Maybe the thumbnail has already told you what I'm doing to my hair. Also, you guys, comment down below if I should do more vlogs on my main channel. I just thought that I would bring you guys along with me on my hair transformation journey. Guys, so also, by the way, I wear glasses. Did you guys know that? Like, well, usually I wear contacts, but like, my eyes are like really irritated by my contacts. Like, I don't know why, but I am a little bit stage fright because vlogging in front of people is different. I don't know. I'm just like, ah! But I'm currently at Vanity Room. If you are wondering what it looks like from the outside, this is the front, and that is the little sign. I will have like all the links down below for you guys, but literally like I have went here like my entire life. Like I think I followed the hairstylist here for like, they've had like 4 locations, and I have been here since I was like 8 years old, and I'm 21, 22 in 2018. What? So that is my stamp of approval, and I'm so excited, you guys. You have to come here. Like, please do it. Like, if you live in the area, like in Muskegon County area, please come by. Tell them that Nicole sent you, and I would be so excited. Wearing all black, gonna go black. So I'm gonna do this like cool dark slate black, and the option I'm gonna do is either was this one, or this is like more of like a blue olive base, or I was gonna do like this blue black, which is like super, you can like kind of tell the difference, but you kind of can't. But this one's like just jet black, and this one has more of like a cool tone to it. You guys, I've never done this to my hair. Oh crap, gotta focus on me. This is literally like, my hair is so light and I'm so used to it being this color. Like my natural color is like this dark brown. So it's gonna be so weird to have like black hair. It's gonna be like that. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so crazy. I'm gonna be like looking at myself all day. It's gonna be so weird. Isn't it before? So this is the final look. I'm actually going to do this like faux bomb thing. We have to go like 3 versions dark. So we have to go like a darker brown, and then to like a almost black, and then like black, because my hair is like so light right now. But it's gonna be so weird because this is so different. Like, oh wait, we're going to go black. I told you that already. It's not a secret anymore. It looks so dark. I don't know why, but I love the feeling of like when you get your hair dyed, it's like painting your face. It feels so good. Like, you know. Yeah. This is so oh my gosh, it looks so cool.
It's a huge difference.
I've never gone this dark. I feel like an adult now.
Yeah.
I like adult hair. It's like I've like. Shout out to my brother Evan. My hair looks so dark. I just made him record me and take 1,000 photos of me, and he deserves everything. Also, it's like 2 degrees and I'm gonna freeze my body. Oh my god. They locked the door on us.
I locked it. Habit.
Mom's opening up a Christmas gift. Wonder what it is.
Packaging thing?
Yeah, because I couldn't find my scotch tape. Stacks on stacks, mama.
Holy cow. I can't.
Is it cold?
Not bad. A little bit. I cannot believe I'm gonna have a new phone.
Does it like tell you what like the phone is?
What do you mean?
Like the gigs and stuff?
Let's see. 256 gigabytes. Wow.
Mom's gonna have a nice phone. Mom's phone is the oldest of all of ours. So mom deserves a new phone. Mama needed that phone.
So nice.
And I know it probably wasn't like the most ideal case, but it's a red case and it's something.
It's red!
I was like, what do you have that's red and for an iPhone X? And like, it's a good-ish case for a while. And he was like, well, we have this one. I was like, I want it.
I'll take it.
And then they asked if I wanted to put the glass thing on in store, but I was like, no, because Tanner would probably want to do it himself.
He likes to open it. I saw it wasn't opened yet. Good.
So you guys, I'm back in my apartment now, and this is like so different. Like, I have never had black hair. Who is messaging me, girl? Zoe, what's up? I love this hair so much. I think it's good like for the winter because it is like white as heck outside. Like it is snowy everywhere, but we got some dark hair. It has like, it's super shiny and it has like a blue kind of, you can't really tell on camera. You can kind of tell. It kind of has a really cool like blue tint to it. My dogs are fighting. Hey, you guys, you have your own bones. You are, yes, good. You already have a bone. Yeah, they have these beds, and then my mom for Christmas got them these, and they're just very spoiled dogs. If you want to see more of Scooby and Thor, my pups, I will have my vlog channel linked down below. It's Nichole Jacklyne Vlogs. I vlog like all the time. If you guys didn't know, I did Vlogmas on my vlogging channel. I don't know. I kind of want to throw in some like week in my life videos. If you want to watch those videos, comment down below, let me know. I would love to do more just like college videos, like just stuff like that, because that's just like so, this is like my last semester of college and I want to like document a lot of it because it's just like really cool and it's just unique. My hair with this background, I am obsessed with it. By the way, this is my apartment in Michigan, if you're wondering where I live. My mom is amazing and ordered me a pizza that has no cheese and no meat on it because my body is like allergic and it's just really unfortunate. But you know, I am just excited to bring you guys along with me on 2018 and to kind of like do more vlog videos, because why not do more vlogs? They're so much fun. I find myself watching more vlogs than anything. I mean, like I watch a lot of slime videos, don't get me wrong, but you know, it's just one of those things. Before I go, I wanted to do a little unboxing. My friend Caitlin B, I bought this actually like last week I think, and I got it and I almost unboxed on my vlog channel. Then I got so tired, then I got sick for like a week and a half and I was like on my deathbed basically. So I haven't unboxed it yet. So I thought I would do it for you guys right now. Caitlin, I love you so much. You are like such an inspiration to me. I just love her so much, you guys. If you are not following her, subscribe to her. I will link her down below. She's honestly so genuine and I love her so much. And she's from the Midwest, Minnesota. I'm from Michigan, so we have that like thing going on, you know? Let's be a YouTuber and get a little setup going on. Let's put you guys right here on a candle. I'm a little bit too tall, but I'll just, you know, kneel down. This is the delivery. It like matches, like aesthetically pleasing. This is like so cool. It says Caitlin B. I am honestly so excited because her mission is to use like the least amount of paper and like nonsense, and I believe all these products are eco-friendly and like vegan, and they're all amazing, and I cannot wait to dive in because I love stuff like this. Oh, I'm so excited. First and foremost, we have some documentation, okay? We have, oh, hello. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, look at how pretty she is. I love this, it's so cute, oh my gosh. It says Caitlin B, and it has all of her little like informationals on each of the included products, and then you have one of these says, welcome to #brandless life. Better everything, brand tax free, tangible acts of kindness. I love her so much. She's such a good person. I swear to God, I'm always like, how? We got some coupon codes for the Hum Nutrition vitamins. I have actually been wanting to try those out, so I'm excited. What is this little, it's a little journal. It says, you can change the world, girl. Oh, honestly, Caitlin, like, you are incredible, okay? I oh my gosh. First we have this. It's the Not Your Mother's Naturals coconut milk and African arula tree oil high moisture soothing cream. This looks so good for dry hair. This is amazing because my hair was just dyed, as you guys know, obviously. So when you get your hair dyed, you know, like, it gets very dry. So this is gonna be like a huge saver. I'm so excited for this. If you want to see a more like updated version on how I am loving these products, I will have Nichole Jacklyne vlogs linked down below, because this is not my vlog channel. This is like a, hey, I'm vlogging today, but not tomorrow on this channel. Does that make sense? I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is a body lotion. It is soothing aloe, no parabens, no animal testing, and brandless. Who is texting me? This is a coconut melts, vegan, sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. Frick yeah, girl. This is a DYED Purifying Daily Detox Scrub Activated Charcoal. I am so excited. I'm gonna live lavish tonight, folks. There is so much in here. I'm surprised. This is amazing. Okay, then, oh, this is Moonlight Primer. The hybrid moisturizer and primer helps shield against damage caused by HEV and impact of IR light. Well, I'm not trying to be like impacted by that stuff, so I'm gonna apply that later, okay? This is by Juice Beauty. It is a phyto pink. I'm trying to like squat down, I'm so tall. Like, if I was standing in front of this, like, hey guys, like, how are you doing? Like, no. I'm gonna stop being weird. Maybe not, but like, temporarily. It is a satin lip cream. Caitlin B delivery, freaking amazing. So proud of you, girl. That's pretty much it for this vlog. Let me know your opinions on my hair. If you don't like it, let's just like not let me know that. I love it, honestly. Let's not like tear my confidence down. Not yet. I'm currently in the process of taking down my Christmas decor. So if you wanna, you know, find out more about how why can't I just say normal things? Like, if you want to see me do that, it's on my vlog channel. Okay, great. If you are still watching this vlog, give it a thumbs up and comment down below that you have watched the very end of the video. And yeah, guys, love you guys so freaking much. Thanks for watching this vlog. I'm pumped to do more kind of just like random, more like well put together vlogs on this channel, because why not do it? You know, what do I have to lose? Like, what do I have to lose? I would love to know. But yeah, guys, I will see you very soon. And yeah, I can't stop looking at myself. It's so weird. But he's like, Mom, give me attention. All right, guys, I'll see you very soon. Bye.
Buddha bless this beat.
That's a fool now. That's a fool now. Yo. Trap shit. No. 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 No, no. No. Up early in the morning trapping. Chop, chop. You can get them on your asking. I'm in the chicken.